Hello, crypto traders. Today we have some massive news for Bitcoin. Some of the latest news. You guys do not want to miss it. So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn the post notifications because not only are we going to be talking about the latest news of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, but we're going to be talking about the price. What just happened. As you guys know, it passed 60,000. What is next for Bitcoin? Price target this week, in the next couple days, in the next month. You guys don't want to miss it, so make sure to watch the whole video. With that said, let's get right into it. Okay, guys, so first we are going to be talking about Bitcoin news. This is some massive news in regards to Bitcoin, some bullish news. I'm telling you guys, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know. But as you guys can see, this is according to CNBC. Traders are optimistic about the chances of the SEC giving the green light to the first Bitcoin futures exchange traded fund. This is big news for Bitcoin, guys. If this happens by Tuesday next week, which is supposedly supposed to be approved and put on by next Tuesday, well, we can see Bitcoin pass its all-time high of 64,000 easily into the 70s, 80s, we don't know. But it says approval of an FTE ETF that gives mainstream investors exposure to Bitcoin would be a landmark for the crypto industry. As you guys know, that would be big because it would get even more known, because it would be put on the stock market. But that's just, that's like very big news for Bitcoin. And that is why we probably seen a big spike over the past 24 hours for Bitcoin, as you guys can see. Yesterday it was around the 54,000 and it just took off. Or not the 54. It was around the 56,000 and it just took off to 60,000. This is some big news that probably spiked Bitcoin. And I mean, what are we going to expect this week? Well, this right here, if you see this line right here, this is a resistance line for Bitcoin back when it's all-time high. As you guys see right here. So if it passes this, if it closes the weekly chart above 60,000, 61,000, we can see Bitcoin pass its all-time high by next week easily to the 64. And if it goes to 64,000, passes it, well, we have no prior history of resistance. So we can possibly see Bitcoin to 100K. Yes, guys, this sounds crazy, but this is possible because there's no resistance once it passes its all-time high. As you guys can see, this is all-time high right here, around the 64,000. If it passes it, we have no history on it. So it is possible it can hit 100K easily. But that is just my idea. So my price target for today would be to get in around the $59,000 mark, to get in a trade, to go in for a buy if you're leveraging, and stop loss, because it is possible if it does resist, it fails, bounces back down, it can go back down to 55,000, around there, 55 to 57,000. So a good thing would to go in at 59,000, stop loss at 54,000 before we see another spike if it goes, the wrong way, downwards. But if it doesn't, good thing to get in is at 59,000, because you don't want to miss it, because by next week it probably will pass its all-time high due to so much bullish news around Bitcoin with the ETF approval, El Salvador, what's it called? McDonald's, Miami, so much bullish news. I do believe it is more likely it will pass its all-time high than go back to 55,000. It is more likely to pass its all-time high, yes guys, than hit or to go back down to 55,000. So I'm going to get in around 59,500 to 59,000. In between those, there might be a little spike down, so I'm waiting for that. Once there is, I'm going to go in, guys, for a trade. I'm telling you, but that is just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think with this whole news with the ETF, which is big news. I think that is what spiked this to go from 57 or 56 to 60 in one day. That is crazy, guys. That is big news. As you guys can see right here is a resistance. It must pass it by the week and the day chart. So the day, for the day, it has to close at 59,500 above there to be still bullish. But I'm telling you guys, this is some big news you guys have to be on the lookout for, because if it passes 64,000, there is no past history of resistance. So it can go 100K. This is possible. Many people said it wasn't. It is now. Let me know what you guys think, guys. Comment down below. Will Bitcoin hit 100K in Q4? Comment that down below. Also, let me know what other videos you guys want me to post, because I do know how to trade. I can post videos on that. With that said, let's get 100 likes, guys. 100 likes. Just hit that like button to help the algorithm to get it out to more people, to notify them. With that said, I hope you guys have a great day, and make sure to stay on the lookout for Bitcoin and some of the latest news on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So with that said, peace.